told you guys I'd get back to this. Yeah, I will. But if I fail this, like, if I lose at night 2 again, I'll just play it again off screen, and the next episode will be about, night 3. Okay, let's get this started. Okay. Could you see my, oh my god, you can see my reflection in the camera. I guess it's our version of face cam. What do you want, man? How am I already at 96 and I literally haven't done anything? God dang it. Yay. Yay. Thank you. No, thank you. Oh god, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. If you're already right here. Huh. Where are you? Where are you? Oh god. Is Chica? Oh my god, Chica's gone. Where the crap are you, bird? Where are you, bird? Okay, I know the bunny's there. I'm not gonna die already. I hear him. I don't know where the crap he is, though. Nope. I think I just professionally noped, guy. Oh my god, you're in the restroom. Ah, camera's out. Camera's out. Back off. I said back off. What? Back off. Okay. I'm very low on power, and I'm not doing any of this. Ah, okay. Who are you? How are you doing? Are you gone? You gone, bird? I'm good. I'm gonna so run out of power. Wait, missed 2. I'm so dead. How do I keep on wasting power on this? Oh. Back off! Back off! God dang it. I'm going to lose at this very badly. Okay. Yeah, you're there. Come on. I'm going to keep you open. Oh, no. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay. Okay. My sister's watching the recording and she's laughing at me right now. Oh god. Okay. That was scary. Okay, I'm gonna play night 2 off screen. I'm gonna probably have failed a few times. Next time you see a 5 Nights at Freddy's video, it will be on night 3. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Turtle Gaming 75. Goodbye.